Welcome to Manjula Devi Murugesan Software Training Center. This is a demo video. In this video, we are going to see MEP design, how to do MEP design using Revit software. Okay, let us go into the software. This is actually what we have done is MEP design. In this mechanical design, that is ducting, everything we have done. And electrical, for electrical, in this we can see conduits. And for plumbing, we can see drainage pipes. Okay. There is soil pipe, okay, waste pipe, and water supply, cold water supply. Okay, so actually while starting our basically how we are going to start our design work. First we will go for insert in link the Revit file. Okay, then after linking, okay, we will go for assigning space. Okay, if we select this thing, already we are using in the analysis, we can see space. Okay, we will assign the space. Then for each space, we will give energy analysis. Nearly 7 report types are there. Plain, occupable, condition type, space type, construction type, people, electrical load. We will give inputs on that. After giving input, we will create heating and cooling load report. Okay, if you want, you can create zone also. Okay, I want the space where actually for 50% of room, I'm going to use one AHU this side and another AHU this side. Then I will separate this as a zones. Okay, like that we can do. Then we can go for heating and cooling loads. Okay, calculations. So our report is ready already. I have done the reports. Okay, so if you create the reports, you will get the reports like this. Okay, project address, calculation time, when we have done calculation, report type. Okay, what is the latitude, longitude of the site, summer dry bulb, winter dry bulb, and for entire building, what is the peak cooling airflow. Okay, and for space level, each level you will get peak cooling airflow. Then zone wise, okay, this is for 3 levels we are having, and zone wise. Okay, for each zone we will get, okay, this is default zone. If you go for space, then for each space we will get peak cooling airflow, how much you want. Okay, liter per second. This is based on metric system. Okay, after calculating for each room how much cooling airflow we need, we will place the air terminals and VAV as per our requirement. And also we will place AHU based on our report at the top floor. Okay, then we are going to do the ductworks. Okay, after ducting we will go for duct sizing. Okay, actually before doing duct sizing, we will actually, if you are going to use the same this thing, okay, layout design, okay, routing, everything for ground floor, first floor, second floor, we will copy everything. Then we will go for duct sizing for each and the individual spaces. Okay, so then after doing the duct routing, then we will do the plumbing works. Okay, if you go for plumbing, okay, actually before plumbing we will see in 3D. Okay, actually if we here see 3D, we can see entire thing. I don't want this, so I am going for visibility graphics. So I am going to remove conduit fittings, conduits, and lightings, electrical fittings, electrical equipment fixtures. Okay, then lighting fixtures, devices, then plumbing fixtures, and then in filters we can remove sanitary, cold water, domestic, vent water. So this is our mechanical design, HVAC design, how it will look in 3D. Okay, after that we are going for plumbing. In plumbing we can see we have done already soil and waste pipe. Okay, separately. And if you go for 3D, we can see we are having P traps for each and everything, and actually wash basin is connected to floor drain. From floor drain we are connected to main drainage system, and we are using P-trap. Actually, as per IPC, for each and every drainage system we should have P-trap, and we should have separate vent system, but here we used common vent system. Okay, from here I have used. Actually, after P-trap we need to use every individual vent system. Okay, that is important, but here we used the same common drainage pipe as a vent system. Okay, see, we brought up to top, and we have brought cold water also. If you want, we can place tank in this thing, but in our regular class we will teach you how to place the tank and connect the water tank. And not only that, here we have didn't do any fire protection system. In our regular classes we will teach how to place a drainage system, everything. Okay, what sprinkler and fire protection pipes, everything we will teach. What are the components we can place for fire protection, and the entire thing we will teach in the regular class. Okay, then after that we will go for electrical. Okay, we are going to place the lighting fixtures in the ceiling. Before placing ceiling, we need to create a schedule called space lighting schedule or illumination requirement. Okay, for this we will create a parameters required illumination as a required illumination, and we will give the input. Then we will assign for every space. Okay, for every space we will assign that. Then after assigning, what we will do, we will once again we will create the schedule called lighting analysis, space lighting analysis. Okay, so actually for this room, for office 101, what is required is 150, and average estimated is 160. Okay, what I have placed. So I have given tolerance plus or minus 10. So my aim is to remove red color. See, in this and all, now red color is removed. So we need to correct our this thing. Okay, design. That's the important thing. After placing, we will go for wiring. Okay, actually wiring is a 2D element. We cannot see in the 3D. Okay, so if I say go for 3D, we cannot see the wiring and all. See, only conduits and cable tray, lighting fixtures, electrical equipment, that thing we can see. Okay, then afterwards we will place the conduits or cable tray. For that we need to go for power only. Okay, actually previously for lighting, wiring and all we can use lighting, but for cable tray and conduits we need to use only power. Okay, then we can place everything. Right, so actually what we have seen is in the system only, system tab only we can see. This is for mechanical, this is for piping and plumbing, and this is for electrical. Okay, so after doing entire designing, we are going to go for annotate. Okay, actually here I have given the annotate. So for and in analysis tab you can see this. Okay, ductile legend. So actually 0, blue color is 0 liter per second. For then it will give you what actually for using color code we can find out what is the airflow in that duct. Okay, so red color is actually for 50 liter per second. Like that we can find out. This is orange is for, okay, actually magenta, not red color. Okay, using this color, see color difference is there. Okay, this is orange, so we can find out. So using this color code, it will definitely show you what is this thing, and we can create schedules. Okay, here we can see what is the duct schedule. Okay, what are the size ducts we are used, what's the size, what is the length, everything you can see. Likewise, fittings, conduit schedule, electrical conduit schedule, everything you can see. Okay, we can create. Then panel schedule also. Actually for 400, this is we have placed for cooling, that is at the top floor. Okay, actually we couldn't see the mechanical component. Just I will go for mechanical component. Wait a minute, this is in lighting only, no? Okay, we'll go for power. See, this is mechanical equipment. Okay, so actually for this I need to change other item. Okay, lighting. Okay, from HVAC we have connected the control panel, that is 400. Okay, that's what we have seen here. Okay, and for each and every floor we have placed some control panels. Okay, that thing we can see it here. Ground floor. Okay, for that we can schedule individual schedules. Okay, for panel 1, panel 2 we have given separate names. So panel 1 how much current is used, everything we can see this. Okay, so just I'll close off this because we have opened more windows. So after creating schedules, we will create callouts. Okay, actually what is the purpose of callouts? That is, we can see, just zoom only one item. Okay, see this is in view, can see callouts. Okay, here I will go for mechanical. Okay, here see we can call out. Using callout, I have just created one detail view. If you want, you can create section also. Okay, see here we have created section view. Actually, callout I am having number, for section I don't have number, drawing number, because I didn't place it in my sheet. See, this is sectional view. Okay, and after doing everything we can place it in our sheet. See, already we have placed in ground floor ducting. Okay, demo MEP 01. Okay, so see, and demo 02. So I have placed this. Okay, let me see, do one thing. Just I am going to drag and place this section view also here. Wait a minute. Just going to place section view. Okay, now let us see in this. See, if you are placing in, it will show. Okay, likewise we can place our schedules, everything in the sheet. Okay, not only that, what are the items we are going to see? Actually, in collaboration we are going to see the work sharing and how to export to AutoCAD. Okay, so if you go here, we can export our AutoCAD, everything we will be seeing in the regular classes. Okay, if I keep on explaining, it will take more time, so I don't want to spend more time on this, because our video will be large, then it will take some problem. Okay, right. If you have any doubts, please put comments on that, and we are giving training on some subjects which I have described in my description. Okay, if you want to do that courses with certificate and hands-on, just I have given the mobile number in the description itself. You can WhatsApp or contact me through that number. Thank you.